Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a little bit of a light, kind of basic kind of background light. We'll switch out from EVs to cycles. Let's go ahead with G, bring this up, and S for scale to bring this sideways. Now, what we're going to do is let's go ahead and add in a UV sphere. Right click, shade smooth, G, bring this up, and I'm going to go ahead and make this one an emission. So new, and we'll go with emission. Change this to slightly yellow, and let's go ahead and add in a cylinder. S for scale, bring this up. S for scale, bring this down. This is where excuse me, our light's going to hang from. So let's go shade smooth, and we're going to go ahead and press S for scale, bring this down, and I'm going to go ahead and put this into the cube as it is. So we can go Shift D, and maybe we'll go with 2, and then we can go Shift D, and then you want to go -4. So the lights are now inside of this. I'm going to go ahead and just add in a plane, and then I'm going to add a plane just above so you guys can see the stuff that we're doing. So with the cube itself, I'm going to go with edit mode. Let's go right click subdivide a good number of times until we're happy, and then we'll go to add modifier, and we'll go to wireframe. So when we go back to the objects mode, we'll have something like this. You can go ahead and click boundary and make the thickness a little bit more thicker if you want to. Totally up to you. You've also got offset if you want to mess around with that. So when we click render on this, this is what this should look like. I think we should go ahead and turn up the emission on some of these lights a little bit. So this would be a really good piece for, say, like a bar or something like that. Bar scene or whatever. I'm just going to make the cage black, and then I'm just going to take this floor down so it can be seen a little bit better. So yeah, this would look great for kind of like a contemporary piece, contemporary light. And I'm going to go ahead and just up the emission as such. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.